Hey there, John Davis here, and in this video I'm going to share how these two list building ideas are pure gold. So imagine you've just created an amazing lead magnet, but you want to apply some new ideas to it to make it convert like crazy. What can you do? In this video I'm going to show you why scarcity and urgency will help drive your list building efforts. I'll also show some other extra conversion hacks, so keep watching. This is one of the extra conversion hacks, which is an email capture form that pops up on scroll, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. Okay, so back on the dashboard here, you can use lead magnets for any project as they come in many forms. You can make them for checklists, how-to guides, video tutorials, one-on-one coaching sessions, content summaries, micro courses, boot camps, and many more. So for this example, I've already made a lead magnet just to showcase how simple it is to add value to a YouTube video or combine it with any other content, such as blog post, social media platforms you'll post on there. And the principles I cover with this lead magnet are applicable to all lead magnets, whether it's a checklist, a video series, or in fact an ebook. By the way, I'm using Lead Creator here, but you can use any tool you currently have to use the same approach. I happen to be using Lead Creator, so you can jump on the link in the description if below if it's something you'd like to check out. Okay, so let's pop back to the dashboard now on this the lead magnet I've created, and expiring URL is the urgency maker. Okay, so let me show you how this works. At the moment, we've not got it set up at all, but if I click on the active button, and we've got some text here that appear. Obviously, it's to give people an emotional and urgent reason to download your lead magnet, as it says here. And we can set a date. I've already set the date to a couple of days in advance from where I am at the moment, and the time, obviously. So after the timer runs out, there's a redirect which we can use. It can go to a default page, which is like this one here. Okay, or we can also click this button and insert your own redirect URL to send them to another page where you can, inform them to come back at a later date, maybe, or offer a bonus or something different. Okay, so that's the setup for the urgency. Let me show you how it works for now. Let's get back to the content editor and update the published version just to show you. I'll give that and give it a refresh, and it should pop up there. There it is at the top. Okay, so this is the text that I showed you in that little box, which gives the urgent reason for someone to download your lead magnet you've created before this timer runs out, which is the urgency idea within this platform. Okay, so let me show you how the scarcity maker works. Let me pop that off for a minute and take that down to 0. So when you arrive here, this is what you'll see in the scarcity maker. Obviously, we turn it on to make it active, and we can put in a field here of how many maximum downloads or views, conversions of the lead magnet. So we choose let me put 99 for argument's sake, and then redirect is the same again. We can either use the pre-done page, the default page, or we can click this button to put in another redirect URL to a page of our choosing. But I'll just leave that off for now. Just click save, and I'll show you how this works on the lead magnet. So let's go back to the content editor, update the published version, and refresh the page, and we should be good to go. So I've got the capture page working. I'll scroll down and it should pop up. There it does. And so here is the limited edition. Look, 99 downloads left, which is what I inserted into the field, which makes it a scarcity option. Obviously, people will then, fear of missing out, want to enter their details and get the full lead magnet you've created. This is really awesome and a great way to drive conversions to your email list and things like that. It's very time sensitive. You can get a bonus offer going. fear of missing out, the FOMO thing. It's very limited. But be honest. Be honest with how many downloads are, and you've got to look at this. And also with the expiring URL. Be honest. Make sure you set up as you want it to be, and at the end of that date, or time or download, then the option finishes. Okay, so let me now showcase one of the templates, and let me show you how you can use Lead Creator as well. So on the main page here, we just click on this button in the middle, Create a Lead Magnet. I'll just call it Test, and we'll choose a template. I'll go for 10-point listicle, and what we do there is I've got a pre-made prompt that I've saved already, saved me typing out things and boring you, so I'll put that in there. This can be as detailed as you like. The more information you put in, the better lead magnet you'll get. Okay, so like they say, garbage in, garbage out. As long as you make it a great prompt, then obviously you'll get a great lead magnet the other side. So once that's inserted there, all we do is click create, and it will take a few seconds for it to make the lead magnet for you. That's the AI side of it working. And you've put the prompt in, but also in the background the AI machine is also working in order to create this lead magnet for you. So there we can see it's popped up with with very little time there. And like I said, there's a 10-point listicle, so where we've got the nice headline there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 points of the listicle there. Obviously, you need to read through that and make sure it's correct and everything's okay. You can redo, you can move stuff about like this. Obviously, you've got the WYSIWYG sort of thing where we can change things around. If you've got somewhere, you can pop this down there, for instance, make a gap and put in a /, and then you can add something, something of your choosing. Say we want to put an image in there. I'll just go to my desktop and pick any image for now. Let's put this one there. And it'll insert it into your lead magnet and making it more clear and more visual pleasing for people. There's lots of things you can do all the way down here to change the things. We've got the taskbar at the time for creating. If we do the thingy there, we can change the line height to make it a little bit more professional looking. And like we say, the headline is a hook. It needs to be an enticing piece of content there to make people want to read your lead magnet and see what you've put in there, and obviously move forward and connecting with you and getting on your email list. As I mentioned before, I'm using Lead Creator here, but you can use any tool you currently have. Okay, these lead magnets are great for beginners or seasoned marketers alike, and here's why: because they can you can format one-on-one coaching sessions, content summaries, checklists, how-to guides, micro courses, video tutorials, and boot camps. They're outstanding emails for both creators and the audiences. For the creator, one-on-one coaching session, it builds personal connections, provides a direct way to showcase your expertise. It creates high-value interactions, often leading to long-term clients or testimonials. Content summaries repurposes existing content efficiently. It highlights key takeaways to hook potential customers and leads. Encourages audiences to explore deeper related content or services. Checklists like this one here, like listicles. They're quick to create. They're evergreen. They're highly shareable and helping to grow awareness and engagement. It positions you, the creator, as an organised, practical problem solver. How-to guides establishes authority by offering clear, actionable solutions to specific challenges. Creates lasting value, driving consistent traffic, lead generation. The list is endless, really. Video tutorials. Engages visually and emotionally, making complex topics easy to understand, builds trust and credibility through your direct interaction and problem solving. And it's similar, very similar for audience as well, for the people reading your lead magnets. Coaching sessions, one-on-one coaching sessions, it offers personalized advice tailored to their unique needs, providing exceptional value. It builds trust, the like and trust factor, with confidence by receiving direct guidance from you, the expert. um, Content summaries saves time by delivering quick, sort of digestible insights from detailed content. Encourages immediate action by simplifying complex information. Like we said, the checklists there, they're practical, they're actionable, they're helping users organise tasks and reduce overwhelm. They provide a clear path to achieve a goal and sort of boost productivity. So, like I said, the thing is, these lead magnets. There's no end to what you can do with them, and using the lead creator this way, it can benefit the marketer or the beginner tenfold. So yeah, like these magnets offer a range of options to meet diverse audience needs, um, while allowing creators like you to build trust and showcase their expertise, and you can deepen engagement effectively with these. It just happens that the lead creators are fantastic for this purpose. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for your time, and just let's say the links in the description for lead creator if you'd like to jump on it and check it out. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Take care and speak to you soon.